morning, students. I, Rasamala, Principal of Lead India, welcome you all. I welcome our Chairman, sir. I welcome Mr. Ramakrishna Appa, sir, also, who is the Principal of Oasis School of Excellence, Shamshabad. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate the International Yoga Day. Yoga is very important in our life. In today's world, people have got wealth but not health. The number and types of diseases have piled up, making the life complicated and stressful. Hence, the importance of yoga was recognized and the need to create awareness among the people emphasized. To attain this, United Nations General Assembly declared June 21st as the International Day of Yoga on December 11, 2014. The declaration of this day came after the call by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi during his address to UN General Assembly on September 27, 2014. To start the program, I request all the guests to stand for the prayer. And I also request Mrs. Manju Kurian to take over and continue the program. Please stand as students for the prayer.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am. Children, let's start the prayer.
Join your hands, close your eyes and start the prayer.
Now, our dear students, Alekia and Vatsal, the hosts of the day, will welcome you all.
Good morning, one and all present here. My name is Vatsal.
I'm Alekia and we are the hosts of the day.
And we wish you a happy International Yoga Day.
When you find peace within yourself, you become the kind of person who can live at peace with others.
To achieve, we require two things, yoga and next is meditation.
I feel extremely honored and privileged to get this opportunity to welcome all gathered here on International Yoga Day.
As our school, Lead India Bharatnaratna laid emphasis on ancient values, tradition and a peaceful, stress-free life, have taken the initiative to create an awareness among the students and the parents about the importance of yoga in our daily life.
I welcome our chairman, Sri Nallagode Sudarshan Acharya Garu, to the dais, and I welcome the principal of OIS School of Excellence, Sri Ramakrishna Appa Garu, and our dear principal, Ratnamala Garu. I welcome the students of OIS School of Excellence and Lead India Bharatnaratna. Coming to our chairman, Sri Nallagode Sudarshan Acharya Ji is the founder and chairperson of Lead India 2020 in the present world of cooperative schools and control competition.
Acharya Ji has taken the initiative to change the educational system by introducing Sudarshan Chakra, which lays more emphasis on ancient values and tradition.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Alekia and Vatsal, for such a great welcome. Now, I'll request the students to deliver a devotional song.
Gada moha sita kala
Thank you, children. You have taken us to the devotional word. Now, our children will deliver a message about the importance of yoga.
A mind free from all disturbances is yoga.
In today's world, there is lot of stress around everyone starting from school-going child. People are burdened by the pressures to make a good living. By being in this race, we are forgetting to live.
Life is a precious gift bestowed to us by God to live happily and peacefully. We have created unnecessary things which has made our life complicated and stressful.
Here comes yoga as magic wand, which was stayed with us from ancient times, but we have neglected it.
To improve the quality of life, people embrace it and are treasuring it throughout the world. Man is a physical, mental and spiritual being. Yoga helps promote the balanced development of all the three. Other forms of physical exercises like aerobics assure only physical well-being. They have little to do with the development of the spiritual or astral body.
Yoga exercises recharge the body with cosmic energy. This facilitates attainment of perfect equilibrium and harmony, promotes self-healing, removes negative drops from the mind and toxins from the body, enhances personal power, increases self-awareness,
Helps in attention focus and concentration, especially important for children. Reduces stress and tension in the physical body by activating the nervous system.
the aspirant feels rejuvenated and energized. Their yoga bestows upon every aspirant to balance, to control body and mind. Thank you.
Thank you.
ప్రతి సంవత్సరం జూన్ 21వ తేదీని అంతర్జాతీయ యోగా దినోత్సవంగా ప్రకటించారు.
యోగా అనేది మనిషి సృష్టి యొక్క రహస్యాల గురించి తెలియజేస్తుంది. శోధించే ప్రయత్నంలో మానవ మేధలో నుంచి వెలువడిన శాస్త్రం యోగా. మనిషి జీవితంలో ప్రతి అంశానికి సంబంధించిన ఈ యోగా
శారీరక, మానసిక, భావయుక్త, ఆధ్యాత్మిక విలువల్ని పెంచుతుంది. భారతీయ యోగ విజ్ఞానం మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి భారత విశ్వగురువుగా విశ్వాన్ని మేలుకొల్పుచున్న శుభవేళ.
వేల సంవత్సరాల కొలది పతంజలి మహర్షి, కపిల మహర్షి, ఎందరో ఋషులు మునులు సాధన చేసి యోగాసనాలను చేసినారు. అందులో కొన్ని తెలుసుకుందాము.
ధనురాసనం పొజిషన్. One, two, three, two, one. All relax. ఈ ఆసనంలో శరీరం ధనస్సు రూపంలో ఉంటుంది. అందువలన దీనికి ధనురాసనం అని పేరు వచ్చింది. ధనురాసనం చేయడం వల్ల ఉదరం వ్యర్థపు కొవ్వు తగ్గుతుంది.
సర్వాంగాసన పొజిషన్. One, two, three, two, one. Everyone relax. ఈ ఆసనం వల్ల మెదడు, గుండె, ఊపిరితిత్తులు బలపడతాయి, రక్త శుద్ధి జరుగుతుంది, జీర్ణశక్తి పెరుగుతుంది. విద్యార్థులకు ఈ ఆసనం ఎంతో ఉపయోగం. సర్వాంగాలను శుద్ధి చేసి శక్తినిచ్చేదే సర్వాంగాసనం.
చక్రాసనం పొజిషన్. 1 2 3 2 1. ఈ ఆసనం చక్రం వలె గుండ్రంగా ఉంటుంది కనుక దీనికి చక్రాసనం అని పేరు వచ్చింది. ఈ ఆసనం వల్ల వెన్నుముక, పొట్ట మీద ఎక్కువగా ప్రభావం పడుతుంది. మెదడులో రక్త ప్రసారం జరిగి తలనొప్పి తగ్గుతుంది. కాళ్ళు, చేతులు వణుకుడు తగ్గుతుంది. యువతీ యువకుల యవ్వనానికి ఈ ఆసనం బాగా సహకరిస్తుంది. ఆల్ రిలాక్స్.
భుజంగాసనం పొజిషన్. 1 2 2 and 1. All relax. ఈ ఆసనం పడగబెట్టిన పాములై ఉంటుంది. దీనిని సర్పాసనం అని కూడా అంటారు. భుజంగాసనం చేయడం వలన శీల గర్భాశయమునకు సంబంధించిన రుగ్మతలు తొలగిపోతాయి. విద్యార్థులకు మెదడు, గుండె, ఊపిరితిత్తులు బలపడతాయి. జ్ఞాపక శక్తి పెరుగుతుంది మరియు మెడ నొప్పులు తగ్గుతాయి. ఛాతీ, గుండె, ఊపిరితిత్తులు, వెన్నుముక, నడుము బలపడతాయి.
వజ్రాసనం. ఈ ఆసనం చేయడం వల్ల మోకాళ్ళు, పాదములు బలపడతాయి. భోజనం జీర్ణమయ్యేందుకు ఈ ఆసనం చాలా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. భోజనం చేసిన తరువాత చేసే ఆసనం వజ్రాసనం మాత్రమే. జీర్ణశక్తిని పెంచేది వజ్రాసనం.
శశాంకాసనం పొజిషన్. 1 2 and 1. All relax. శశాంకం అంటే కుందేలు అని అర్థం. కుందేలు వలె కూర్చొని వేయి ఆసనం కనుక దీనికి శశాంకాసనం అని పేరు వచ్చింది. ఈ ఆసనం వల్ల నడుము నొప్పి, మెడ నొప్పి, కోపం తగ్గుతుంది. కోపం వచ్చినా త్వరగా శాంతిస్తారు. కోపాన్ని తగ్గించేది శశాంకాసనం మాత్రమే.
ఉష్ట్రాసనం. 1 2 3 2 1. All relax. ఊష్ట్రం అంటే ఒంటె. ఈ ఆసనం ఒంటె శరీరంలో ఈ రూపం ఉంటుంది. అందువలన దీనికి ఊష్ట్రాసనం అని పేరు వచ్చింది. ఈ ఆసనం స్థూలకాయాన్ని తగ్గిస్తుంది. వెన్నుముకకు చురుకుదనం తెస్తుంది.
ధ్యాన పొజిషన్. 1 ప్రతిరోజు అధిక ఒత్తిడితో బాధపడే వారికి ధ్యానం దివ్యౌషధం. ధ్యానం చేయడం వల్ల ఏకాగ్రత పెరుగుతుంది, మనసు ప్రశాంతంగా ఉంటుంది, మంచి ఆలోచన విధానం పెరుగుతుంది. అలసిపోయిన శరీరానికి మనసుకి ధ్యానం అమృతం వంటిది.
ధన్యవాదములు.
ఇప్పుడు కొంతమంది కష్టమైన ఆసనాలు ప్రదర్శించబోతున్నారు. ఫస్ట్ పద్మపకాసనం, పద్మమయూరాసనం.
సార్ స్వామి గురు స్వామి వెయిట్
రిలాక్స్. శీర్షాసనం. రిలాక్స్. కుకుటాసనం. పూర్ణశలభాసనం. రిలాక్స్. పద్మమయూరాసనం. రిలాక్స్. ధన్యవాదములు.
Let us congratulate and encourage all the students who have done wonderful yogic exercises and for all the information given to us. Let us give them all a big clap.
At the outset, I wish to congratulate and thank Ratnamala Behera Madam, Principal, Lady Jawahar School, and all the Lady Jawahar lesson building teachers and the students, and Secretary of the school, Principal of YSC School of Amapalli, B.N. Ramakrishna Prasad, and E. Kameshwari, Principal, YSC School, Aydurga, and all my respected nation building teachers of all the schools and all the students. May God bless you. I am feeling very happy. All of you have given me immense happiness. All three schools trained by the principals, teachers have given excellent performance. Give a big hand to all. Similarly, some students from all the three schools have performed some advanced special asanas. Special wonderful class for them. Full wonderful. Now I don't want to give any lecture, but I want to hear from you. You have seen the performances of the three schools. we all can imagine that you made some practices. After that only you could give this demonstration. In this process, I want to have your own sharing of your experiences. Sharing of your experiences. Okay? In respect of schools, when I ask questions, please raise your hands. In respect of schools. Okay? Are you all ready? You are sharing truthful, honest, your own experiences. Not read in the books or not hearing the messages, etc. What honestly you are able to feel, understand, experience about this yoga. Who can tell? Just raise. What you are feeling, what about this yoga? What you can tell in your own words. I feel yoga is good or yoga is boring. Anything you can tell. Right? But you give your own share what you feel about yoga. Just raise your hands. Don't say here and there, Nana. You are all our students. We never see. Other school students will see. There is nothing we expect from all the schools. When question is asked, people see here and there others. Good? Good. Give them a big hand.
When we did yoga, our body pains will release. Then we can be happy.
You can feel happy. You can be happy.
Good morning to one and all present here, respected teachers and my dear friends. And yoga is a thing where we can learn many things from that, like we can keep our health good without taking any antibiotics or any tablets like that. And also there will be no effect for our body. We will have fitness. It's very useful in our life where we can have self-control and all. Thank you.
Practically your own versions, okay, your own experiences, your own resolutions. Okay?
Yoga is a thing where we can learn many things from it, and in yoga we can live so many days. Like dog lives very less years, and a tortoise lives hundreds of years. Like we can also live like tortoise by breathing. The yoga asanas will help us.
Sir, first I thought when yoga class was there, I thought what the yoga, it's boring. After coming here, I thought body pain will be relieved and gastric problem, trouble will be not there. That's why now I'm select yoga.
Anybody else? Go.
My name is Tarun. I feel yoga is very good because we can maintain our physical ability also and mental ability. So yoga is very good.
As we know all that yoga is very important to our life and it will cultivate the self-confidence, and I observe that if I do yoga I will get knowledge. Thank you.
So nowadays we see so many cases of death and so many diseases. In monthly we will go to doctor 3 or 4 times, and by doing yoga there is no need to go to doctor. And in news I have seen many cases like some old ages. They have so many fevers and diseases. They started a branch, yoga branch. They teach all old men's yoga, and so many got relief from the diseases. like cancer.
Good morning everyone. Yoga is very important for our body. If you will do yoga, you will not get any diseases. Please, my advice is that please continue the yoga. Don't stop it. Good morning all of you. Yoga is a very wonderful experience to me that changes my mind, flexibility and everything. Doing yoga I'm very lucky to do yoga, and then first of all thank to my principal sir and teachers and my friends who encouraged me a lot to do this yoga. And my advice is that everyone should do yoga and make them very powerful. Thank you.
Thank you, Acharya sir, for implementing the yoga in LIBR. It will also control the stress. It will help in the time of exams. The knowledge will be good.
So when I am doing first time yoga, I got so much body pain. How can I do anything easily?
After hearing that, how many of you promise to yourself that I have understood the importance of yoga and I take a decision that from today onwards I will do yoga every day? How many of you are ready? Oh, so many, all? Okay. Raise both the hands. Say loudly, shabash, shabash. Wonderful. Give a big hand to everyone. If children are staying outside, you can ask our teachers and students, etc., to sit. My dear friends, today, why are we doing this yoga today? Say loudly. Once again. June 21st, International Yoga Day, has been declared by United Nations Organization, UNO. And then followed by that, 199 countries are doing this yoga. Where this yoga is born? Where this yoga is born? India. Okay? But 199 countries are doing this yoga. How it happened? One person spoke like you. Importance of yoga. In UNO he spoke, made a proposal that if whole of the world, whole of the humanity, if they can practice yoga, they can be physically, mentally, intellectually, emotionally, socially, spiritually, transformation will happen, change will happen. Thereby, every individual will be hale and healthy, physically fit, mentally alert, intellectually sharpening your intelligence, emotionally bonding, emotionally relating, socially bonding, spiritually enlightening. These things will happen in every individual, whomsoever can do. irrespective of countries, irrespective of religions, irrespective of male or female or whatever. These are some of the words that one gentleman spoke in years ago. And all people mesmerized with that, and they all have unanimously decided. All countries, all of the United Nations unanimously decided that June 21, every year it will be celebrated as International Yoga Day. Okay? Who is that person? Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. One person making changes in whole of the country, now whole of the world. Similarly, Swami Vivekananda went to the Western countries, propagated same yoga and Vedic education. The whole of the Western world bowed down to his feet, revered him, respected him, felicitated him. For 4 years, he could not come back to India. Everybody was inviting from one country to the other country, one country to the other country, like that 4 years. So, what I used to share, one person can decide. The whole world can come down to their feet. That is the magic of this yoga, that is the magic of this Vedic education, that is the magic of this great country, Bharat. And we are very much, Swami Vivekananda said, I am proud to be an Indian. How many of you are proud? Oh, good. So, being proud Indians, what we need to do? What we need to do? Learn more about this country, its culture, its heritage, its history, its sciences, ancient sciences, like yoga sciences. Till today, even though it is born in India, in 126 crores of population, how many of them know about this yoga? It is a question mark. It is a question mark. So now, having understood, it is you, me, all of us, start understanding its depth of its knowledge and put them into practice. Automatically, that practice will speak by itself. That will be the propagation. That is a resolution. Can we take it today? That I will practice this yoga throughout my life, not only students' days. I am recollecting my own self. When I was a student like you people, one teacher came in my life, Dr. A. Sitaramaya, a yoga teacher. As a student, he used to take me for demonstration. He is a yoga teacher running a yoga academy, and he used to take me and some students. As you people have come for demonstration, I was one among that group to give the demonstration, as you people have given that. Okay? And I used to enjoy going demonstrating in the public as you people have demonstrated. But I was not practicing. I was not practicing daily. He used to tell me, you are a good yoga, you can become a good yoga teacher in future. You are this, that, he used to tell me. But I used to say, yes sir, I will do it sir, I will do it sir. But I was not doing it. Honestly, I am telling you. He used to keep on asking, I used to keep on telling, I will do sir, I will do sir, I will do sir. Never I was doing it. One Sunday, every Sunday I used to go with him. One Sunday, he made me to sit in front of him. He started weeping. You all have got a great future. I want you to promise that I have been asking, you are not doing. And you do not know that it will impact your future. You will become a great person. Listen to me. I want a promise from you. Today I will not leave. He started weeping. That has made me to realize. Even my mother and father, though they used to do everything for me, they never asked this question. They never wept like my teacher. I realized I have become emotional. Then I touched his feet. Sir, you are more than my mother and father. From today I promise, lifelong I will do it. The moment today I get up from my bed, I recollect him. I say, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, start doing my yoga. From that day, it happened in 1972. From 1972 till today, whether it is raining or whatever it is, irrespective of that, I am practicing just because of my teacher, Dr. Yogacharya Sitaramaya. What he has told, the benefits, while weeping he has told me that you will become a great person and you will become a great teacher. And this yoga will be a very helpful thing for you. All those things during this more than 50 years, they are helping me. I am realizing every day, my dear friend. I have passed through various stages from your age, your classes, high school to college, then office, then education, office, family life, social life, spiritual life. In all these phases, this yoga is one common thing helping me both physical, mental, intellectually, emotionally, socially, spiritually. With this, God has blessed me taking up this yoga and Vedic education as a part of the research. That is where this Need India Bharat School and Sri Sudarsana Chakram has come. God has blessed a transformative model. Why I am giving all this big lecture? I am also asking a promise from every one of you. Here is a living example, practical example. Okay? I told you, my dear friends, I am closing down. All of you, attentively please listen to me. It will give physical fitness. I can run with all of you and I can compete in anything. That physical fitness has come because of yoga. And let me share with you, to your age, yoga alone is not sufficient, my dear friends. Okay? Yoga alone is not sufficient. You have to, in the words of Swami Vivekananda, you have to build up iron like muscles, steel like nerves, diamond like mind. Again, this is one thing, it has impacted my mind. I started doing lot of physical exercise. At that time, gym was not there. Physical exercise, dips and Dhanpaitak we used to call. Okay? You boy come, you yourself come here. From 3 schools, 3 boys comes. You are from Shamshabad. OSS Rayadurga. OSS Rayadurga. Shamshabad, one girl come here. Right? Bharat Ratna. Yourself come. Come here. Right. Come here. Ajay. Give a karate. Give a karate. No, don't bother. Give. How is it? Touch. Touch it, man. Right? Touch it. Huh? Come. How is it?
Sure.
Like?
Iron.
Like?
Iron.
Like? Steel. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Lead India. This has become iron. How it has become iron? From the words of Swami Vivekananda, build iron like muscles, steel like nerves, diamond like mind. All these three I have experimented. Okay? And in my school, I was called as Iron Man. Iron Man. Okay? Once I was playing kabaddi, I was in a catching position, the other person came and he hit me. Okay? His leg was broken. Okay? From that moment onwards, my chairman, headmaster, all those people were so much astonished. And they called me, they found out all, then they all declared Iron Man of Vivekavardhani. Okay? So, my dear friends, why I am taking you? Take up everything serious in life. What better? Serious in life. Everything, whatever teachers are teaching, whatever you are listening, whatever you feel this is good, then that good should go into you. You must transform with that goodness. That should be your life. That should be your life. All of you are very lucky people to be under the umbrella of Oasis schools and Bharat Ratna. Here we have got a dedicated principals or nation building teachers. I am really happy when my teachers were explaining and all my students were demonstrating. I felt very happy. All of us together, we can make a change in India. Can we do that? Right. Okay? So, from today onwards, if you start doing it, do not leave it lifelong. I want sincere, honest promise. You all are going to be great persons. You are all going to be great persons. Not only India, the whole world will be inviting all of you. Okay? Including my dear girls. You are the custodians of the culture of this great country. Okay? Right, my dear friends? Okay? Honestly, if you are okaying it, honestly, if you are taking a decision that whatever may be, I will do yoga from this day, just raise your hands. Okay? Keep that hand on your left side of the chest. Right? Okay? Sit erect. Sit erect. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Recollect your mother. Recollect your father. Recollect your teachers. Take a sankalpa, a desire, a thought, a desire in your mind that you want to be Bharat Ratnas of this great country, that you want to be the great Bharat Ratnas of this great country, to be Bharat Ratnas of this great country, the great yoga science. You have realized that today you are promising to yourself, come what may, lifelong I will practice yoga. I will become a Bharat Ratna someday. Realize. May God bless all of you here. Relax. Come normalcy. Come to normalcy. At the end, again, I close up with the Swami Vivekananda's quotation. You are the creator of your own destiny. Understand. Not your mother, not your father, not your teachers. Nobody. Who is the creator of yourself? Say loudly. Right? Realizing? Good. May God bless you, my dear friends. We are all here as John Zigri goes. और पढ़ा वहां से. Extend your hands like that. हाँ, जोर से बोलो. प्यार से बोलो. और एक बार बोलो. May God bless you. On behalf of all the principals and respected nation building teachers, we extend this John Zigri Dostana to all of you to help you to lay foundation for whole of life to become Bharat Ratna. Thank you for your apt listening, attentive listening, and taking a promise, a great promise. I pray for all of you every day that you should become Bharat Ratnas. May God bless you. Lead India. Lead India. Lead India. Lead India. Thank you, madam.